sitting with crossed legs, or if you're working with a variation, for example, kneeling on a bolster, then you can work like that. So we're going to ride the wave. Your hands are on your knees, your thumb and forefinger very gently connected to one another with the tips of each other. And then you're going to exhale and bring the chest forward. As you bring the chest forward, the head gets left behind, and then eventually the head will topple over, just like a wave moving towards shore, and then the crest of the wave eventually breaks, yeah? So this is the surging, your chest is surging forward, the head gets left behind, and then eventually the crest takes over, the head topples, and you inhale, roll up from the base of the spine, coming up to sitting, and then exhale. Again, the head gets left behind, and let the head drop. Now you might want to practice this with your eyes closed and allow yourself to go into your body. See if you can visualize your spine almost moving like a domino effect. This is massaging the back and warming it up. So keep this absolutely synced up with the breath. The two move together. And this can become a moving meditation. You can stay with this for quite a few minutes if you get into the zone. Keep going. Perhaps explore how big or small the movement or the waves can be. Okay, let's go with this. Let's keep going with this. What you may want to explore is a cross wave. So perhaps explore and see if one shoulder can take the lead. So you almost move diagonally, but the same motion is happening. And then you inhale back to the center. Exhale, another shoulder is led so the body follows, including the head. And then you inhale back to center. And then coming back to center again. 4 more. And gently coming to stillness and sitting in an upright position with an alert spine. Inhale, arms out to the side, above the head. Bring the hands down through the midline of the body, and you're going to tap the hands either on your knees or down towards the floor. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more. Inhale. And exhale. Come come back to center. Inhale, arms out to the side. Hold the arms shoulder height. And we're just going to see if you can hold this for a few more breaths, but starting to circle the fingers, the hands, and consequently the arms. That's it. Small movements. Keep feeling as if you're extending away from your torso. And let's go the other way. Now, turn the palms face up, turn them down, turn the palms face up, turn down. Now, inhale, palms up, and keep rising the arms until you can interlock those fingers and turn the palms face up. Aiming to straighten those arms, and then drop the shoulders away from the ears. Now can you exhale your arms to one side and feel the opposite buttock rooting down to ground you. Breathe. One more breath. And then you inhale up and exhale to the other side and breathe. And inhale, arms up. Exhale, reach those fingers out to the side and down. Shrug the shoulders up, and can you sigh them down like this? And again, inhale. 2 more, inhale. 1 more, inhale. Good, okay. You're going to practice Anuloma Viloma, alternate nostril breathing. This is very good for calibrating the nervous system, but also helping to ground and center you. And a lot of people find it also very calming. So if they're in an anxious moment, it can be helping in that area to calm you down. So what you need to do is to bring your index finger and middle finger to the Mount of Venus. Use your thumb and your ring finger to close off the nostrils. So if you just have a practice and just swinging backwards and forwards. Yeah, so you've got that motion. What you're doing is you're keeping your elbow nice and neat, tucked in, so we don't need to be working like that. We want the shoulders to be nice and relaxed. And also you work with a nice straight spine. So what happens is, do this with me if you're new to this. You're going to start by closing off the right nostril, inhaling through the left for 3 counts. Then we're going to close both nostrils and hold the breath for 6 counts. Then you're going to open the right nostril and breathe out for 6 counts. Then you'll breathe in for 3 through the right nostril, close both nostrils, hold the breath for 6, open the left, exhale for 6. So just follow the verbal instructions and you won't go wrong. All right? So you can have this hand prepared, the right hand prepared, and just rest it gently on your lap, and then the other hand is in Chin Mudra. If you're happy to work with eyes closed, then go for it. If you need to see what's going on just to help you to start, then keep an eye on me for a moment. Alerting your spine, so you're inhaling, lifting up from the base of the spine, exhaling, shoulders down, your feet are firmly planted on the ground if you're on a chair, otherwise you're firmly seated through your seat and legs, and another inhale through both nostrils and exhale through both nostrils. Now bring your right thumb to your right nostril. Inhale left on 1, 2, 3. Close both nostrils, hold the breath. Open right, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right on 1, 2, 3, close and hold. Open left, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale left on 1, 2, 3, close and hold. Open right, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, close and hold. Open left, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale left on 1, 2, 3, close and hold. Open right, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, close and hold. Open left, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more round. Inhale 1, 2, 3, close and hold. Open right, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, close and hold. Open left, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lower the hands down, keep your eyes closed for a moment. Take your attention to the point between the eyebrows and mentally see if you can visualize a colour or an image that might be forming as you focus your attention here. And also notice how you feel. And then when you're ready, open your eyes.